Lexus mechanic warns on when you should replace tire pressure monitoring system sensors in your vehicles. He says don't cheap out. Lexus mechanic issued warning if you drive a modern car with a sensor that checks your tire pressure. I didn't even know, friends, that they run on batteries. Did you? Anyway, welcome back everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you drive a car made after 2007, you're familiar with the tire pressure monitoring system. It's called TPMS, the helpful indicator that warns when your tires are running low on air on your vehicle. You might not know that those sensors run on independent batteries of their own, independent batteries. And the California-based mechanic has a tip that may save you several headaches when it comes time to replace one. William Cheng of Independent Performance Parts Distribution Center Concept took to his company's TikTok account to share his wisdom 3 days ago. The video has since gathered over 356,000 views and it's still growing. In it, Cheng drops some wisdom about your car's TPMS that you might not have known otherwise. He says this: "You got a tire pressure monitoring system on your car?" Cheng asks his viewers as he walks on the wheel from a Lexus IS350. "As you can see, this sensor is orange," he says, displaying it for the camera. Cheng points out that the aftermarket sensor is a replacement, a fact he illustrates by showing the remaining 3 sensors from the other tires, which are all black. He states that the remaining sensors are all in danger of failing on that Lexus IS350. And the sensors all run on batteries independent of your car's own battery. The same batteries that are in hearing aids, Cheng claims, and he says, so replace all those 4 sensors on your tires when you are at it. He advises, save your time, save you money, and save you some headaches. If one sensor fails, due to its battery, the other 3 are likely to follow suit. Cheng says, don't cheap out. According to consumer intelligence company J.D. Power's, quote, "It's recommended that you go for a tire pressure sensor replacement once the 80,000 miles mark is passed. Simple wear and tear, especially when using the vehicle quite often, can quickly reduce the service life of sensors." Here's a quote: "I can confirm this when my sensor went out. Ask the mechanic to do all 4 to get it out the way." He says it wasn't needed, and 2 weeks later issue popped up again, Winnie Payne wrote in the comments. Another viewer commented saying, "I didn't even know they run on batteries. That makes sense why all my cars eventually have these fails. I'll just deal with the dash light and check my tire pressure regularly like drivers did for decades and how I was taught when I started driving," another one added. However, drivers with cars made after 2007 will find that their tires all have TPMS sensor whether they like it or not. The TPMS has been around since the 1980s, but they were made mandatory by the Transportation Recall Enhancement According and Documentation Act in 2000, in the last year of the Clinton administration, friends. Now, according to TireBuyer.com, the Trade Act mandated that every new car sold in the United States after September 2007 be equipped with TPMS. The website also notes underinflated tires wreak a staggering amount of havoc on our nation's roads and highways, contributing to 250,000 crashes, 33,000 injuries, and 660 deaths every year. So this is very important to make sure your car's tires have right sensors and right pressure. The Daily Dot has reached out to Cheng via email. The Daily Dot is a website where I got this news, and TikTok Messenger for further comments, and still waiting. If I hear anything else, I'll let you know in the comment section, friends. How often do you change the tire pressure system sensors batteries on your cars? Have you ever done it? Did you even know they run on specific independent batteries and not dependent on the battery of your car? This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this story, and let me know your thoughts on your car's TPMS. Have a great day. God bless you. See you soon in our next report.